In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your account age in Brawl Stars. While playing Brawl Stars, head to the main menu and tap on the burger menu icon on the top right to access your settings. In your settings, make sure you're in with your Supercell ID, next add to help and support. And this support page will open up select account and then tap on the message icon on the top right of your screen from here. Tap on leave a message under contact us. This is where you will have to quickly chat and explain your age situation on your account. This will eventually, when Broadstar Support X, allow you to change your WorldStar account age. But there's a simple way to change your age if you just started playing the game. Head back to your main in-game settings. From here, tap on ID under Supercell ID, and this Supercell ID window will show up. Tap on the gear icon, and then you see the lockout option on the right side of your screen. Select to log out, confirm logging out, and then you can select to play without a Supercell ID. The game will read out, and you'll have to complete the tutorial again. After completing the initial step of the tutorial, you can set a new account name and then set your new account age. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.